What is up, boys? It's a beautiful evening here in sunny Southwest Florida. We got a little group ride going on tonight. I feel like I say that every fucking video. I'm headed to link up with Joel and Steven right now. Kyrie's stator came in today, so we're gonna throw in Kyrie's stator. Hopefully that fixes his issue with the bike, the dying issue talked about a couple videos ago. I'll link it up top. Hopefully that takes care of that issue. Kyrie will be back out terrorizing the streets with us. So I'll pick you boys up in a bit when we're back at the crib throwing in the stator. Fingers crossed that shit takes care of the problem, because he's gonna have a whole new charging system after the stator. We got the new sprocket and chain, and then this is the stator, the old stator. You just snip the connector for it and the ricks that's going on. The bike was already taken apart, so should have it back together in no time.
One eternity later.
We got Kyrie's bike back on the road. Everything looks good so far. The battery is charging, so I mean, he literally has a new rectifier, new battery, new stator. So if this doesn't fix it, it has to be a short. But it got up to temp and everything looked all right. And I mean, you guys saw the state of the state that the stator was in before, so. We're headed to a meet spot now. A little car meet going on. We got some heads with us. We're rolling like 8 deep, I think. He's so happy to have his bike back, man. I fucking love to see it, bro. I literally just cleaned my visor too, and now I got a fucking bug right in the fucking middle of it.
I got death wobble.
Yeah. Huh?
I got death wobble.
Oh, seriously? Oh my god, bro. I wanted to take a second to talk about my content, because I really don't talk about what I post a lot. The more I post, the more I realize I don't want to pump out content. I would rather it be, even if it's one upload a week, I'd rather it be an upload where I'm actually going somewhere and doing something, as opposed to just blitzing through traffic. Is that fucking Dylan? And you know, if there's nothing to record, then obviously I don't have anything to post, so. Yo, what the fuck is this? Somebody's smoking some rubber. thing is sick nasty. What the fuck is this, bro? Alright boys, we're headed out. Yo! Big homie Joe on the ZX-10!
What's taking nice?
Yes sir! Joel's wanted a ZX-10 for a minute, so Dave's gonna let him ride the ZX-10. He's gonna see how he likes it. Look at the boy Day on the Z900. Yes, sir. I fucking love those bikes, man. I want to own one day. We got the Z900 and the ZH2 in the front. That's a mean duo right there. That ZH2 sounds sick, man. I don't know if the camera's picking up the supercharger spool. Yo, little Urus? Yes, sir. God. Yes, sir! Keep up, baby! Oh, not the red light. That's gonna be it for this one, boys. I appreciate y'all for hanging out. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you all. I hope you have a fantastic day. I'll see you boys in the next one. Peace, peace!